Welcome back to JoJo's Land. Today we're going to have a look at a very interesting collectible. We have a very nice figure right here on the table. We're talking about Tom Clancy's Recon Wildlands, the Fallen Angel figure. Now, to give you a first look at this, it's a really interesting one. I was really attracted to the design from the first time I actually saw it. And it is still available on the market, so you could pick it up if you like what you see here. We can take a look at the box here, and you can see we have some images from the game and from the figure itself. Then there's some story, some background to it, so you would know how this came to be, how this came from the idea of the game and was further developed in one of Ubisoft's workshops. And on the other side we have some snapshots, close-ups of the figure itself, so you could actually know what to expect when you are going to take this out of the box. Speaking about taking things out of the box, I think it's about time we open this thing up and take a look inside. Let's have a look at what we have here. Nice skull right there from Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon, nice touch. And if we open this, there's some sort of background design right there. Okay, so now we have it out. It's looking really interesting, and I think it's time to have a closer look at this thing. Okay, so let's see what we actually have here. It's quite a standard packing for this type of collectibles and figures. Interesting. Whoa, that looks interesting. This is a Siege. Quite a big one. I can tell you the details on these are really nice, and I will show you that in a moment. See another accessory. Looks like some rosaries actually. And we have the figure itself. Okay. Now that we got it out, I can tell you a few things about it right away. This base looks really good. It's really nicely detailed, and I really like it. I really like the sculpt here. Some attention was paid to this base actually. We have a soft material here, some sort of a non-outfit I guess, and the Fallen Angel character that actually looks like death itself wearing this. It's actually removable. I don't know why, but it is. And something quite interesting is that they did pay some quite nice attention to these details, even if covered. We're going to have a closer look at this figure. I think it has an overall really nice look. It's sort of a Grim Reaper type of figure, I guess. This stands quite tall, it's 12 inches, and these accessories actually are very detailed and look very nice. Also you can see the manufacturing is high quality. All the materials feel very good to the touch. There's also quite a bit of detailing in the bones of the skeleton itself, to the hands, to the face actually. There's some red smudges right there that look quite interesting, and the overall excellent build quality. Now I'm going to take you a 360 tour of this figure, so you can actually have a better look at it. So let's go a bit to this left side here, to give you an idea how this looks. and go to the back. This material does seem to shine a bit under the light, so that might not be quite the liking of everyone. Okay, show you guys this from the right side. That's how it looks like with the stitch. Again, the stitch looking really good. It's a really nice polished metal look on the blade itself, and the handle does seem to be wood-like. Something to note here, this figure does not have any type of articulation at all, so this is more like this is more a statue than actually a figure. You can't move anything excepting these accessories. Anything else won't move, so you will not be able to pose it in different ways. This is the way it's going to look. Maybe play a little around with the accessories you have here at your disposal. So, what do you guys think about this figure? Did Ubisoft did a good job here with the Fallen Angel? Does it meet your expectations? This goes around for quite a high price now. As I've seen it, it's about around $60 to $80. So that's something to consider when you're trying, if you want to purchase this. And I hope now you have a better look at it, and you can understand it better. You can understand the character. It's a really interesting character. It's some sort of protective saint for the imaginary world of the new game in Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon series. So that's an interesting concept, and I think it overall has a very original look to it, and it's going to really look nice on my shelf after this. Okay, so yeah, don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, click that subscribe button. Jojo out.